Just thought I'd go through why Condensate Pro chose a Pipesnug to fit into their pack. The problem that we have is we want to seal up to the building properly and also maintain that over the years. And the problem with silicons or any pointing is it cracks because of expansion and contraction. So the Pipesnug is absolutely perfect. That then seals up, and then we seal and bond to the Pipesnug to make a perfect seal. But the only problem is that we were doing a lot of retrofits, and that's where we came up with the two tools to make this simple. So that is the reason why we have made the drift kit for 40, 32 and 21.5. These two are basically what we'd use for Condensate Pro, because we want to upgrade the 32s and the 21.5s with the 52mm, and then we just either go through just that amount there with a 52 and then take 38 through to put the 38mm pipe through, or we go through that amount there if you're allowed to then take the 21.5 through all the way through. But this isn't just for Condensate Pro. If you are using Pipesnugs, then this is perfect for you then to upgrade. So you've got them kitchens and bathrooms or anywhere where you're fitting these. You know, it's not just for new holes. You can now use it and upgrade. There are millions and millions out there. But then we've got the grinder head, and that is to then make a flat face for your Pipesnug to fit on, because any uneven walls, pebble dash walls or rendered walls, we want to make sure we get that a real good tight fit. So that's where that would go. And then another problem where if it was an existing pipe on an uneven wall, stone wall, we'd want to drift it but also want to grind it. So how would we do that? And all we've done is made a little extension bar that goes on there that you get free if you buy both products. Then you'd be able to then put any drift head on. That would then flatten it through first, take that off, and then you would then use your drift kit with the 52 straight on and drift that straight through to then put your Pipesnug on. Perfect. Then there's this bad boy for your flues, and so you could upgrade all them flues and fit your flue snug.